Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to do a poem in your English course book. The title of the poem is Ice Cream Man. Ice Cream Man. Okay, before reading poem for you, let me describe you it. Okay, this is a happy poem. Let me tell you something about the poem. Na? Children, Ice Cream Man. Listening to the title of the poem only, ice cream, my mouth starts watering. Huh? Okay, so this is a happy poem written by Rachel Feld. Written by Rachel Feld. Okay, it is about an ice cream seller. This poem is about an ice cream seller, the man who sells the ice cream. Okay, who arrives? Who arrives at the street? Who arrives at the street? That means on the road. When it comes on the road with his little cart. Okay, cart means this, na? Cart. Okay, with ice creams, with loaded with treats. Wow, for a hot summer day. Okay, when do we enjoy the ice cream, children? In a hot summer day. Okay, the so in this poem, the speaker describes children's love for ice cream. Children, do you love ice cream? Yes, of course. Every children, old, everyone love ice cream, especially in summers. You know, the ice cream man visits the streets on a hot summer day with round umbrella. Can you see this umbrella? With a round umbrella over his cart. He fills the cones with, see, can you see? He fills the cones with, come on, cream and ice cream of many flavors. So many flavors of ice creams are there. Children, can you tell me some of the flavors of ice cream? He also sells fizzy, colorful cold drinks also. Okay, cold drink is also there. Children, can you see a cold drink bottles are there? है ना? Fizzy means chilled, है ना? Colorful cold drink. His cart is just like a flower bed and children gather around it like honeybees. Oh my God. Flower bed यानी कि जैसे कि फ्लावर्स के ऊपर कैसे हनी बीज आ जाती है, लाइक दैट ओनली इवन दिस इज लाइक अ फ्लावर बेड. और है ना, लाइक एवरी चिल्ड्रेन फ्रॉम हियर एंड देयर दे जस्ट गैदर देयर, है ना. सो दिस पोएम ब्रिंग्स टू माइंड इमेजेस ऑफ हॉट वेदर, है ना. जैसे ये पोएम का नेम सुनते हैं हम समर याद आ जाता है ना, हॉट वेदर एंड कूल ट्रीट्स विथ वर्ड्स लाइक ब्रेक्स ऑफ ब्लेज ऑफ हीट. ओ माई गॉड, कितनी गर्मी है जब लू चलती है. Words of cooling, brown and white. The speaker also gives the reader a feeling of happiness. हाँ, यहाँ पे हमें मालूम पड़ रहा है कितना how happy children are, है ना. Children are very happy and cheer by mentioning many colors and flavors name, है ना. So everyone is very happy. Okay, when you are eating ice cream, children, even you must be feeling very happy, isn't it? Huh? Yes, na? They are very happy. Okay, so all the children were very happy. So all the children loves for ice cream in summer. The ice cream man visits the street on hot summer day with round umbrella. ये तो आपने देख लिया है ना. So happiness, है ना. Here to feel this one poet also gives feeling of happiness and cheer by mentioning many colors, है ना. कितने colors mention किए यहाँ. Flavors also brown, white, green, orange, white, pink. Yeah, these are the colors. Vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. What is this, children? These are the flavors. Okay, है ना. And the words like round umbrella, fill the cones, bottles full of Fristy Free. Children cluster around help. Imagine the sights and actions clearly. So come on, let me read the poem for you. Okay. When summer's in the city and bricks blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Goes trundling down the street means when he arrives, है ना. When he arrives with his wheels on the cart on the street, है ना. Okay, beneath his round umbrella. Beneath his round umbrella means with his round umbrella, है ना? Okay, in a hot summer day with a round umbrella over a cart, है ना? Now in the picture also you can see with his round umbrella. Oh, what a joyful sight! That means the children are so happy to see him, है ना? To see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. These are the colors, है ना? Colors of the ice cream. Yes, now come to the flavor. Oh, my mouth starts watering. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chili things to drink. From bottles full of frosty freeze, green, orange, white, or pink. His cat might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster around as thick as honeybees. Cluster means like coming around, and just coming around the cart from all the way they are coming to the cart. As soon as they see the ice cream man, the children gathers near the cart, है ना? एंड द क्लस्टर मतलब गैदर लाइक हनी बीज, जैसे कि फ्लावर्स पे हनी आ जाते हैं ना, वैसे ही द चिल्ड्रेन जस्ट गैदर नियर द कार्ट. See, so many colors are there: green, orange, white or pink, brown and white, and flavors vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. So nice poem it is, children. I hope you all understood this poem. So enjoy it, children.